Here's a quick tutorial showing how to create anime light trails for an aerial drone shot of some drifting race cars in a winter wonderland. As always, trim your clip to length. Now add the C2 Paintx 4 tracked paint effect to your clip and click Open Editor. Rename Track Layer Group 1 to Glow Layers. What we will do first is to chart out the path the cars follow with some temporary markers. Create a folder called Markers Group. Select the color brush with a 6-pixel hard-edged brush. Starting halfway through the clip, mark the position of each car with a short stroke along its length. Then jump forward a couple of seconds and mark them again. Go back to the halfway point and do the same in reverse. To make it simpler to draw a smooth stroke, zoom the editor window out to 25% or less. To dial in the look and the feel of the light, set the Glow Layers blend mode to Color Dodge. Select the Glow Layers group again, choose a red color and paint a swooping stroke that smoothly connects the marker strokes for car 1. Now choose a green color and make a stroke for the second car. We can now hide the markers group. Select the red color brush layer and tweak the settings as shown to create a swooshing line that gets thicker depending on its angle, similar to a calligraphy pen or the pinstriping brush they use on hot rods. As a side note here, I moved the green stroke into its own group so that I could create its animated mask. The workflow now is to use the eraser brush with animate mode on to mask out the light trails frame by frame. With the Glow Layers group selected, choose the erase brush and set the brush to a very large size. Hold down Command while dragging to overdrive the values above 100 pixels. Toggle the Animate Mode button to enable frame-by-frame drawing for the eraser. Use the right arrow key to step backwards while erasing in a single smooth stroke per frame. If you mess up, just hit Undo and try again. Erase, arrow key, erase. I found that it doesn't matter too much if a few slivers are missed or the end of the stroke isn't perfectly aligned to the car. It can add some cool life and variation. It's also possible to hide the source background layer in the editor and add additional distortion, glow, and color effects to the trails themselves on the main Final Cut Pro timeline. In this tutorial, we've used rotoscoping techniques and color brush shape variations to add some cool anime-style residual light trails behind a pair of drift cars racing in the snow. Check out the free trial of Paintx if you haven't already.